Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to basically share. First thing you're going to do is log into Poshmark. You're going to type your username and password for Poshmark and you're going to click login. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to the Poshmark Pro Tools tab. You're going to make sure the Share Closet tab is open. Now over here, you're going to type your closet name in lowercase. And you can choose any one of these modules that you would like. I'm going to take you through them one by one and explain what each of them do. So here, total share loops. Let's say you have 90 items in your closet. It's going to share. This is where you configure how many times you would like to share those 90 items. So let's say you wanted to share them twice. You would just hit the number 2. Total amount of listings to share. You can either, this has two options. You can either click share my available items, which will gray this out and this because it's sharing from your closet, or you can uncheck this and share maybe the first 30 listings in your closet. Next, delay after each loop. That one loop equals, if you have 90 items, one loop would equal 90 items. So after the end of each loop, this is the delay that is going to be in between each loop of your closet. So a good practice to use would be to randomize the time. I like to put between 300 and 600 seconds. That's between 5 and 10 minutes per loop. It makes it look more human-like. It's going to choose a random number in between 5 and 10 minutes. So it could be 6 minutes, it could be 8 minutes, it could be 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It depends. The next option here is delay after each item share. That is each individual listing, the time in between each individual listing that's shared. So I like to usually do between 2 and 6 seconds, because the average share time, I think, is, for humans, it's about 2.68 or something like that. 2.68 seconds in between shares. So a random share time between 2 and 6 seconds is perfect, in my opinion anyway. You may have a different opinion. This option is share to party. Once this is clicked, all of your listings will be shared to the current party that is going on. Share my closet in reverse. This will share from the bottom up to keep. This is helpful if you're only doing one loop. It will keep your closet in order. It won't be backwards by the time you're done. Share my feed. This is community shares. This will only share 1,000 items in a clip. But what I usually do is I will check this and I'll do maybe 5 loops of 200 feed items. So that's 1,000 items right there. You could even do, it'll do more than 1,000 items if you set it correctly. What we mean by 1,000 items means you can put 1,000 in this box, but in one loop. But I recommend breaking it up. That would be like 1,400 items right there. 1,400 community shares. So that's community shares. You will also have to leave these settings as well. Next is share my available items, which we went through already. This will automatically share any available item that you have for sale. It will not share sold items at all. Share specific listings from my closet. When this is checked, you can choose to share your Prada items, your shirts, pants, Socks. Make sure you don't put plural in certain items. As the way that you just put the way you would have worded it in your title or description. Like you're not going to say, oh, you know, one black shirts. No, it's one black shirt. So just keep in mind, be mindful of the way it would look in your title or description. That's where you can pull these keywords from. This is share back mode. Basically, it's going to share back the last few people who have shared your closet. So in this case, I would want to share back the last 50 closets who have shared my listings, and I want to share 5 of their listings each. All I do is check that box, fill these 2 boxes out, 50 and 5, and then click start. That's basically it when it comes to sharing. If you guys have any other questions, I'm always available through email. And if you need to watch this video over, definitely do it. Watch it as many times as you need to get the hang of it. See you in the next video.